Top 3 ways to get your free credit score. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now let's get to it. Number 1, Credit Karma. Credit Karma has been around for some time now. They offer a Vantage 3.0 score. All you have to do is log on and create an account, and you will get your credit score and your credit report. www.creditkarma.com. Number 2, Discover Card. Discover Card offers your FICO score. 95% of lenders rely on your credit score from FICO. Get your free FICO score from Discover Card, and it will never impact your credit. www.discover.com. Number 3, Experian. Experian offers a FICO score. Experian is one of the largest 3 credit bureaus, and it will not disappoint. Get your free credit report and FICO credit score from Experian.com. All these links below are in the description and more. Check us out on the web at www.adamscredit.com.